so many years. How do you feel?
Oh, my journey seems ancient now. The journey, it seems ancient. Journey seems, I can't start from where I began, but बॉलीवुड की यात्रा के बारे में अगर बात की जाए तो 81 में शुरू हुई जब मैं बॉम्बे आया 3 जून 1981 को काम की तलाश में नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा का डिप्लोमा लेकर एक्टिंग में, और फिर 2 साल मैंने लखनऊ में डिपार्टमेंट में ड्रामा में पढ़ाया और फिर यहाँ पहुँचा थिंकिंग दैट मैं एक ट्रेंड एक्टर हूँ, बस आते ही काम मिल जाएगा। मगर ट्रेंड एक्टर को कोई उस ज़माने में, आज से 25 साल पहले, कोई गारंटी नहीं थी काम मिलने का, मतलब बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी। लोगों को पता नहीं था NSD क्या है। वो NSD को FDC, DPT या सॉन्ग एंड ड्रामा डिवीज़न, NFDC सब बोलते थे। तो फिर धीरे धीरे सड़कों पर रहना, प्लेटफॉर्म पर नींदें करना, पैसा नहीं, खाने को नहीं, लेकिन एक जो इच्छा थी कि कुछ करके दिखाना है उसको बरकरार रखा मैंने हमेशा। और I don't want to romanticize my struggle because I think everybody struggles, but I must say that what was on my side was my optimism, मेरी आशावादिता, और वो आशीर्वादिता और कुछ था नहीं। There was everything else was to sort of, there was everything that could have happened to me was a gain, whether it was a 5-second role or whether it was a 50-minute role. It was from where I was.
So at that time you were willing to do just anything?
Yeah, I did not have the theory that I should only do main roles, because मुझे ये था कि मुझे एक बार काम मिल जाए, मैं अपना काम जानता हूँ, और जैसे काम मिल गया तो मैं अपना काम दिखा के और काम मिल जाएगा। इसी ये थियोरी उन लोगों की होती है जिनको काम आता नहीं है कि यार मैं मेन रोल ही करूँ तो शायद कामयाब हो जाए पिक्चर, तो और रोल मिलते जाए। मैं तो अपना काम जानता था, और थिएटर में हमको सिखाया जाता है, NSD की ट्रेनिंग में सिखाया जाता है कि रोल छोटा नहीं होता, इंसान छोटा होता है और एक्टर छोटा होता है। तो मैंने बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे 2-2 सीन के रोल किए। एक अपमान फिल्म आई थी, उसमें मैं 2 सीन का रोल किया था। फिर उत्सव मेरी ऑफिशियली एक बड़ी फिल्म थी जिसमें मेरा रनिंग रोल था। मैं
So what was your first film?
अपमान was the first film, directed by, produced by Dr. Ami Asthana। मेरा 2 दिन का रोल था और मेरा एक फिल्म डायरेक्टर का रोल किया था। वो बात दूसरी है कि जब वो फिल्म रिलीज़ हुई और मैं और मेरा भाई उस फिल्म को देखने गए गोरेगांव वेस्ट में, पुराना थिएटर था, तो मैं बेहोश हो गया था वो फिल्म देख के। बड़ी ख़तरनाक एक्टिंग की थी मैंने उसमें। फिर मैंने एक फिल्म की थी शीशे का घर, अमित खन्ना की। फिर शशि कपूर जी की उत्सव, मैंने बताया कि रनिंग रोल था, मैं उसमें दौड़ता ही रहता था शशि जी के पीछे। बट ऑफ कोर्स एज एवरीबडी नोज कि सारांश वाज माय फर्स्ट ब्रेक, जिसके लिए भी बहुत परेशानी, तकलीफ, दुख उठाने पड़े। एंड इट वाज अ ड्रीम लॉन्च फॉर एन एक्टर हु न्यू हिज जॉब। एंड 22 years, 323 films.
And then commercially it was Karma.
Commercially, yes, certainly. Opposite Dilip Kumar, Anil Kapoor, Jackie Shroff, Naseeruddin Shah, Sridevi, Poonam Dhillon, Nutan ji, and opposite them the antagonist was Mr. Anupam Kher as Dr. Dang. And also full credit goes to Mr. Subhash Ghai for positioning me in that place, which suddenly sort of elevated me.
And then what would you remember as your milestones?
I would not like to call them my milestones, but yes, of course, I understand आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं। मेरे ख्याल से आखिरी रास्ता was a very important film because अमित जी के सामने पहली बार, अच्छा मेरी पहली फिल्म सारांश थी, सीरियस रोल था, ट्रेजेडी काइंड ऑफ ए रोल था, तो उनको लगता नहीं था लोगों को कि मैं कॉमेडी कर सकता हूँ, जबकि कॉमेडी वाज माय फोर्टे इन थिएटर। आई यूज्ड टू डू कॉमेडी ओनली। So when Mr. Bachchan is a comic genius, he does very good comedy. उनके साथ जब मैंने आखिरी रास्ता में कॉमेडी की तो लोगों को लगा कि ये तो अच्छा एक्टर है, ये तो कॉमेडी कर लेता है, वो भी अमिताभ बच्चन साहब के सामने। आई थिंक दैट वाज मोर नोटिसेबल देन ऑफ कोर्स कर्मा एंड देन लम्हे।
Anupam, is it always the fact that you have to get noticed besides a big actor? Is that how popularity? You gain popularity because you're pitched to gain.
You see, there's a difference between being popular and being respected after 22 years. I am thankful to God for being popular and being respected also. But respect comes out of your own conviction with your own self. Respect comes with work. Nothing buys respect. Only your work gets you done that. And I think I have, over the period of year, time and again, failed, resurrected myself. Did not do well, resurrected myself. Because that's what life is all about. So whether it was Dil Hai Ki Manta Nahi, whether it was Daddy, there was some film or the other coming. And I must tell you that I enjoyed every single film of mine, whether it was atrocious, trash, horrible, frightening, horrifying. I enjoyed it. And that enjoyment used to get across to the audience.
According to you, which is your most trashy thing you've ever done? That you found, oh my
There
God.
was a film called Nigahein.
Acha.
I should not be saying it because I did it with full conviction, and God bless Mr. Harmesh Malhotra's soul. But I'll tell you how my perception of the film was that usse pehle Nagina aayi thi Amrish Puri ji ki. Nagina was a big hit, and Nigahein was it was the first sequel basically in Hindi cinema, and मुझे अमरीश जी का रोल मिला था, मतलब अमरीश जी उसमें नगीना में उनकी डेथ हो जाती, तो आई वॉज हिज डिसाइपल. शूटिंग के दौरान मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था कि मैं अमरीश जी की सारी छाप मिटा दूंगा लोगों की याद से. ऐसा काम करूंगा कि लोग भूलेंगे कि अमरीश पुरी जी ने ये रोल किया था. एंड आई वॉज गोइंग आउट अबाउट इट एवरी शॉट विद फुल gusto and full, and when I was dubbing I was almost having tears in my eyes कि what a great performance I have done. So usually I do not call people outsiders for my trials. But for Nigahein, I thought I must call Yash Chopra, Pam Chopra and some more friends also. And I remember in Filmalia, trial शुरू हो गया. This was the first time I was watching the film completely. जब पहला सीन शुरू हुआ तो मुझे लगा कि थोड़ा ओवर एक्टिंग की है इसमें. चल कोई बात नहीं, अभी बहुत सारे सीन है, शायद अंडर प्ले करूँगा. पर मुझे याद आया शूटिंग में तो सारे सीन मैंने ऐसे ही किए थे. जब थर्ड सीन मेरा आया तो मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना कर रहा था कि भूचाल आ जाए, ज्वालामुखी फट जाए, ये थिएटर गिर जाए और मैं ज़मीन फट जाए, मैं इसके अंदर चला जाऊं कुछ तरीके से, कैसे जैसे तैसे ये पिक्चर का ट्रायल डिसरप्ट हो जाए, हार्ट अटैक हो जाए ऑपरेटर को. मगर कुछ नहीं हुआ. और इंटरवल में यू नो पैम चोपड़ा, शी इज़ नॉट द मोस्ट ऑफ द डिप्लोमेटिक पीपल, शी सेड अनुपम शैल वी गो फॉर डिनर, समथिंग लाइक दैट. मैंने कहा नहीं, वो अभी बुरा लगेगा, हरमेश जी बैठे हैं साथ में. और पूरन चंद्र राव जी ने पिक्चर देखने के बाद मुझे ब्लू लेबल की बॉटल भेजी. तो मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया कि मैंने अच्छा किया है या ब्लू लेबल डिजर्व किया है. बट आई थिंक दैट कैन बी टर्म्ड एज वन ऑफ माई वर्स्ट परफॉर्मेंसेज इन द सेंचुरी ऑफ हिंदी सिनेमा एवर. प्लीज डोंट वॉच इट.
Apart from this,
Oh, there are plenty,
Definitely.
but I think we are talking about my good work.
absolutely. You've always made time for other kind of, your serious kind of cinema. You've always made this time for yourself. You made time for plays. You've made time for everything. How do you manage this?
I don't manage it. I follow my instinct.
Okay.
If I am unhappy with what I am doing, I need to be happy. If I am rusting as an actor, I need to put a little shine to my capabilities. It's a matter of survival, nothing else. What bores me will bore my audience. What tires me will tire my audience. What does not have an excitement in me will not have an excitement in the audience. And I like to be known as the best. I think that quality has kept me alive. Because all the roles that I do, I treat them as the best roles in the film. In fact, जब कर्मा की शूटिंग हो रही थी तो दिलीप साहब के साथ मैं बैठा था और सुभाष जी साहब के साथ, तो इंटरप्रिटेशंस की कुछ बात चल रही थी. तो मैंने कहा कि सर इसका फिल्म का हीरो जो है वो डॉक्टर डैंग है, बिकॉज डॉक्टर डैंग इज़ एन इंटरनेशनल टेररिस्ट. उस समय इंटरनेशनल टेररिस्ट होते थे ख्यालों में ऐसे होते होंगे, दाढ़ी वाड़ी लगा के, चश्मा लगा के. अभी आजकल इंटरनेशनल टेररिस्ट रियल लगते हैं और रियल होते हैं. तो मैंने कहा वो इंटरनेशनल टेररिस्ट इज़ यूज्ड टू ए सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट इन द जेल्स, और उसको एक जेलर थप्पड़ मार देता है फॉर आस्किंग फॉर बॉइल्ड फूड एंड फ्लावर्स. तो अगर वो थप्पड़ मारता है तो उससे बदला तो लेना पड़ेगा ना. आई एम हीरो ऑफ द फिल्म, बट जस्ट बिकॉज दिलीप साहब इज डूइंग जेलर, so I'm the villain. But if Dilip Saab was doing, let's say, आज बोलते हैं कि Gabbar Singh is the hero of the film. So 20 years back or 18 years back, so I have treated all my roles as if they are the central characters, the main characters of the film. So what tires me is after some days, I think I feel, oh God, I think I must do a play because I'm losing it. So to be alive as an actor is the most important factor, because only if I'm alive as an actor, I'll be alive as a person, and only if I'm alive as a person, I'll be alive as an actor. We have to reinvent ourselves. It's not only for actors, it's for writers, it's for clerks, it's for any technicians, doctors. It's very important to be alive. I think God is kind to you. You are alive and you are doing things. How many people come to Bombay to make it? 0.001% make it, and I'm one of them. Yes. I can't take it for granted.
Do you feel that change has happened in Indian cinema? Do you feel like you've always treated yourself as the main protagonist in the film, as you just said? Okay?
Of course, I think
today, do you feel the vamp is over, the villain is over, all these things are over? Do you think it's better today for an actor?
I think it's a golden period of Hindi cinema, I must say that, or cinema in India, because the main credit goes to the audience. Audience is educated today, thanks to multiplexes, thanks to thousands of movie channels, whether it is Fox, whether it is HBO, whether it's Hallmark, whether it's Star Movies, Zee International, everything. Seeing that, and with the globalization so-called, people are much more open to entertainment with intelligence. So today a film will do well, a story will do well. No amount of how big a star you are, you may get an initial audiences in the theatre because of your star power, but sustenance can only happen with the product. That's why it's surprising that Khosla Ka Ghosla is a big hit. It's an amazing feeling. You see, because
3 years ago it wouldn't have even been
noticed. It would have not noticed, but thanks to UTV also, the way they have promoted the film, all credit goes to them. But it's their conviction in the film which prompted them to do that. And today, suddenly in the last 3 weeks, I'm getting great scripts with the main roles, with the exciting stories.
How does it feel?
It feels fantastic. It feels that, oh God, this is future is bright, of not only mine but of Hindi cinema also. We are making great films only now. In fact, in between there was a complete bankruptcy of cinema ideas. We have had some brilliant directors, Bimal Roy, Gurudar, Mughal Azam, K. Asif, Mehboob Saab, Raj Kapoor, so many, including Manmohan Desai and Prakash Mehra. They made some great films. I think as long as you are telling the story, and however you are telling me, like my film Viva is coming, Suraj Barjatia's, it's a great story and it has to do well. You cannot, technique can enhance the film. It cannot survive. It cannot be the survival of the film. It cannot save the film from drowning.
The longevity of a film.
Nothing works. You may have a great music, it helps. All these are ingredients. You see, basically, the quality of food has to be good. The cook, that's why the mother's food is the best food. You may put adrak in it and kaju in it and desi ghee ka tadka in it, but if the basic quality of food is not good, it's not going to survive.
Absolutely. No, coming back to the question, that soon you'll be acting with Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt, and it'll all be there. It'll be a platform.
You see, that all is about, again, if we come back to the same thing about storytelling. Yes, the exposure is there today. If the importance of casting correctly is become very important in India. It was always important to Europeans. That's why they had casting directors. It's surprising that we did not have a professional acting school in such a huge country, except for a drama school some in Delhi and acting. The whole idea of opening this acting school is that because there is a possibility that tomorrow a student from here, we did a casting for a film to be shot with Owen Wilson. Even Mighty Heart casting director came here and did auditions for about 200 actors.
From your academy?
From my academy and from the talent bank that we have. We get calls every day. So casting is the most important factor. So if Mr. Spielberg is making a film and if he needs an Indian to play a role, he will find an Indian actor and not necessarily a star.
Okay.
Because again, it's important to make the film believable.
It's not the
It
star
is.
quality.
It's no more. It's thank God. And because it's the beginning, there will be some fluke hits here and there. Something will go nice, etc., etc. So that's happening. But I will again say it is the best period for Indian cinema, and it's the beginning. And I'm happy. I'm still there. I will still work for many years.